Have you ever wondered if homemade burger buns could be even better than bakery buns? Today I'll show you how to make perfectly shaped, ultra-soft milk buns using simple everyday ingredients. They're light, fluffy, incredibly delicious, and surprisingly easy to make. Let's get started. Today I'll share the best techniques and the reasons behind them. Even if you're making burger buns for the very first time, you'll be able to get soft, fluffy buns with a beautiful bakery-style shape every time. Here I have 1 cup of lukewarm milk. It should feel warm, not hot. If it's too hot, it can weaken or kill the yeast. Now add 1½ teaspoons or about 4.5 grams of instant dry yeast. There's no need to activate it separately because these are milk buns, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons or about 30 grams of sugar. It gives the buns a gentle sweetness, helps them brown beautifully. Next, crack in 1 medium egg, about 60 grams. The egg makes the buns richer, softer, and gives them a finer crumb. If you want to make them eggless, no problem. Simply replace the egg with the same amount of plain yogurt, smooth mashed potato, or a little extra milk. Today I'm using bread flour because its higher protein creates stronger gluten, giving the buns a soft, slightly chewy texture that's perfect for burgers. But don't worry if you only have all-purpose flour. It also works well and still makes soft, delicious buns. Pour the yeast mixture into the flour. Mix until no dry flour remains. Don't worry if the dough looks rough at this stage. That's completely normal. The most important thing here is the texture. For soft burger buns, you need soft dough. If your dough feels stiff, your finished buns will also be firmer. Now cover the bowl and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. This simple resting step allows the flour to fully absorb the liquid and starts gluten development naturally. That means less kneading, a smoother dough, and much easier handling later. Don't skip this step. It makes a noticeable difference. Today, I'll show you an easy way to knead the dough. We don't need 15 or 20 minutes. For this recipe, just 5 to 6 minutes is enough. I'm using a simple push and fold technique. Push the dough away with the heel of your hand, fold it back over itself, and then repeat. After about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll already notice the dough becoming smoother and more elastic. Now it's time to add the softened butter. As soon as you add it, the dough will become sticky and slippery. Don't panic, that's completely normal. Just keep kneading for another 2 to 3 minutes. The dough will gradually absorb the butter and transform into a silky, smooth ball. Many beginners stop too early because they think they've ruined the dough. In reality, it just needs another couple of minutes. Take a look at the dough now. It's soft, smooth, but it shouldn't stick to your hands. That's the perfect texture for ultra-soft burger buns. Always remember, soft dough means soft bread. Transfer the dough to a bowl, cover it, and let it rise until doubled in size. Depending on your room temperature, this usually takes about 1 hour. Don't watch the clock, watch the dough. Once the dough has doubled in size, gently press it down to release air. Now divide the dough into equal portions. I'm using a kitchen scale to make each piece 120 grams. Using the same weight for every bun helps them bake evenly and gives you a consistent, professional result. Then, shape each piece into a smooth, tight ball. This step is more important than many people think. A smooth surface creates a smooth, round bun after baking. If you see cracks, keep rolling the dough until they're gone. For today's recipe, I'm using this burger bun molds that I ordered from Amazon. It helps the buns keep a perfectly round shape and rise evenly. If you don't have these molds, don't worry. A burger ring or any similar round mold will also work well. Gently press it down just enough to spread it evenly across the base. This helps the bun rise evenly and creates that beautiful dome on top. Cover the molds and let the dough proof at room temperature for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until it's noticeably puffy. While the buns are proofing, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Fan-forced convection oven. For simple egg wash, mix 1 egg yolk with 50 milliliters of milk. This gives the buns a rich golden color and a beautiful glossy finish. Once the buns have finished proofing, Gently brush the egg wash over the tops. Use a light hand. Pressing too hard can deflate the dough you've worked so hard to proof. Now sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top. If you prefer plain burger buns, simply skip this step. Now bake for about 25 minutes or until the tops are beautifully golden brown. Just look at these buns, beautifully golden, perfectly round, and incredibly soft. The aroma is absolutely amazing. Take a look at that shape. This is exactly what we're aiming for. If you want soft burger buns every time, remember these simple rules. Keep the dough soft. Proof it properly without overproofing. Bake at a moderate temperature instead of a very high one. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know how your buns turn out in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy baking recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy baking!